welcome back to another video. So today we aren't cleaning any house, we are gonna be taking care of this body. So if you want to see how I get this smooth glowy legs, keep on watching, because if you're new here, you are highly welcome. And on this channel I do everything home and self-care. If that sounds like you, consider subscribing and join the family. So with that being said, guys, in today's video I'm gonna be doing some self-care routine, include pedicure, manicure, waxing, foot mask, and just a little bit of everything. I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. And yeah, summer is here and it's time to put this body on fleek. Wax those legs, do some pedicure, just do anything, girl. As long as that skin stays flawless and glowy, you're ready for the summer. Like seriously, you're ready for the summer. So let's get started, guys. And this is the foot mask. This is how it looks like. And you're supposed to wash your feet. So I'm going to wash my feet, and then you're supposed to wear them like they're like socks. So you put them on and then you have to wait 30 to 60 minutes. And then you take them off, rinse your feet again, and the process should start peeling within 2 days to 7 days. So I am excited to see this. It's like giving yourself a kind of a spa day at home. So there's no better way to pamper at home. So I'm gonna be starting with my feet. So your feet are supposed to be completely dry before you put on the socks mask. So all right. Okay, so my feet are clean and dry. Now it's time to put on the socks. These are like going to help you to secure the mask to your feet. Why does it look like a pad at first sight? I don't know. So okay. Anywho, so there are 2 pairs, of course. You let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night like I'm. So I have the both on anti slip socks right here, so that way I won't fall because it's so slippery inside. All right, let's go. 60 minutes. No, nothing much hasn't happened yet, but it's a process. So this is day 1. It's day 2, so I'm gonna show you my feet. Nothing more has. They feel kind of dry and also pulling really taut. That you can see it's already like increasing in the wrinkles, but overall, so besides the tightness, nothing else has happened. So see you on day 3. This is day 3, and yeah, my feet are pretty dry. Hey fam, so the last time I showed you the progress was on day 3. So I didn't film day 4 and 5 because nothing really drastic happened. So I let it till the 7th day. So this right here is day 7, and my feet were on fleek, like they were flaky. The dead skin was falling off, the socks was filled with it, but it's not that dramatic as I have seen other people's videos. But yeah, it only means that I don't have a lot of dead skin on my the sole of my feet, which is great. So I'm just gonna take a shower and then head right to the nail studio, and then I'm gonna have a pedicure. So I will see you in the nail studio. Look at my, ew, that's gross. That's gross and satisfying at the same time. So yeah, that is the progress. I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me. Okay, so I'm back from the nail studio. So here I was just prepping my legs for the wax, because whenever you want to wax or shave, make sure you do some exfoliation. That is just gonna make things go smoothly, and also you're not gonna irritate your skin with the wax or the razor. So I was just using my African black soap that I made myself, and also my coffee and brown sugar scrub.
In the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if.
So I'm going to start right away. So I'm gonna be needing some baby powder just to keep any form of grease or sweat, even though I just hop out of the shower. My Pro Wax machine that I've been using for a while, and it does the job. So I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna be linking it in the description box down below if you guys want to purchase it. So it has a lid. You can tell I've been using it for a while, and it's got this regulator here where you go from low, high, medium heat, and mine came with the wax beads, and also some popsicle sticks that you'll be using to apply the wax. And this is open because I've used it. Like, this hard wax claims to be painless, and for me it is. Everyone is different, everyone has a different pain tolerance. For me, I've got a high pain tolerance, so it doesn't hurt that much. I'm gonna turn it to the highest, and once it's melted, I'm gonna turn it down to the lowest. Okay, so this is ready to be used. That's how you want it to be, like, not too runny, not too thick. So I'm gonna do a patch test. Apply some baby powder, not too much, just enough. So once you apply it, you want to wait for a few seconds for it to get stick to your hair. And also when you're applying, you want to apply some pressure, and also leave a thick patch where you are able to lift up like so, so you can easily rip it off. Keep your skin taut. So I'm gonna pull my skin like this and rip it off.
Remember, I was laughing in all the photos that you took.
You can already see the difference. Like, this is glowing without any moisturizer or anything, and this one that has not been done yet looks dull. Can you see that? So the dead skin on this one is all gone. Alright, so I'm all done with the waxing. There are bits and pieces, tiny ones, but I'm going to be applying some whipped body butter, and that is going to take away any other small patches. The shea butter I'm using, I made this is what I use on my skin. So it's shea butter, mango butter, cacao butter, and grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, just a mix of all those natural oils and butters.
But now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book.
Alright fam, so that concludes my self-care routine for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If that's the case, comment down below and let me know if you want to see more of those videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.